Hey guys, Carlos Colon here with Georgia Perimeter Homes, and today we're going to be talking about home warranties. What are they and what do they do should you get one? Hey guys, thanks for jumping in. I'm Carlos Colon, and home warranties. What are they? Should I, get one ahead of time? What does it cover? Is it the same as home insurance? Those are all great questions, and not many people understand what the role of a home warranty is. And so we're going to jump right in, explain what it is, and what kind of things does it cover. So a home warranty is meant to cover the appliances and some of those items in your home. For example, your fridge, your dishwasher, your air conditioning, which is one of the big ones, your water heater. Your home warranty, depending on the company and the type of policy that you carry with them, will sometimes carry some additional things if you ask them to and you pay the extra money. I'll give you examples of that. Roof. They will not cover the whole roof like an insurance company would. Home insurance is typically what you use for that. But a home warranty would cover things like patching your roof. Now, if you want to know if your home warranty that you're considering will cover something like that, you've got to make sure to know, number one, what does my policy already include with it? And then number two, go for what price does it include that? So, another thing, water heater. When it goes out at that point, you would typically call your home warranty company. This is the way the process works. Call them, let them know the situation. Just like an insurance company, you would pay a deductible. The difference between those two is your deductible for an insurance company will at the lowest typically be $500 or $1,000, if not higher. And at the highest, it could be thousands of dollars. Well, I don't want to pay thousands of dollars for a home warranty or for home insurance coverage just to replace a $1,000 cost on a water heater. Does that make sense? So what I would do at that point is I would pay the deductible for my home warranty if I have it. Typically that will be $50 to $80, somewhere around there. The highest I've seen is about $90, $95. And then at that point they'll send out a representative, which is typically a third-party company, to take a look, see what the issues are, and see what they will cover, and they'll let you know from there. So they will do that for your air conditioning, so your AC condenser, your furnace or your heater in your home. There's even such things as septic coverage on things like this, but they won't replace your septic, so to say. The goal in a home warranty company usually is to get the part operating the best possible. So for an AC, sometimes this isn't possible to just fix the part because those requirements change every 5 to 10 years. And so, especially the type of coolant that it uses. So you have to be or refrigerant rather, not coolant. So you have to be very careful on how that's done. Your home warranty would do that. Not every home warranty is the same, just like not every home insurance company is the same. So when it comes to give you an example, on home insurance, if you want your roof replaced, Allstate is not necessarily going to cover it the same way that State Farm might. And so in how they cover it, what it costs, and how much they'll cover it to, those are different depending on what company you go with. Same thing for a home warranty company. How they treat the repair will very much depend on what their policies are. So make sure that you're very clear on that. If I'm you, I would also go into Google, type in what company you're considering, and get reviews from people that have used them before. I'll give you a great example. Let's say your home has polybutylene plumbing and your pipes bust, okay? There are some policies that will repair polybutylene plumbing for home warranty. They will repair it, but they will hardly ever replace it. And now, here's the other part about it. They will typically also not cover whatever also it damaged inside your home, where your home insurance company would. And so you have to be very careful about what it is that you're trying to cover and what your concerns are, and make sure that the policy that you get is going to do that, and also make sure that you understand what it is that they're going to cover about that. Are they going to cover just the repair of whatever's broken? And they're not going to do any of the cosmetic repairs associated with that repair. For example, if they have to open up walls to fix that repair, maybe they cover the repair, but not the cosmetic putting the wall back. All those details are the fine print in home warranty companies. And so, again, we're thinking about things like water heaters. AC, your refrigerator, let me see, your dishwasher, sometimes your roof. There are things like that that are important. And so you've got to think about, okay, is it worth me putting, $50 to $80 on this policy for that deductible to do this repair? And so, and a lot of times the answer is yes. They will typically cover 12 months at a time. And then at that point, you can also renew for another 12 months. Coverage costs anywhere from, I've seen the lowest about $400 a year to upwards of $600, $700, or even as high as $800 per year, depending on how specific the coverage is, and also the size of the home. So a home warranty policy that covers a 10,000 square foot home or 15,000 will cost more money than one that's covering a 2,000 or 3,000 square foot home. So just make sure that you look into that to see what your concerns are, and what is the policy going to actually cover, and what does that procedure look like. So they've worked great. To give you some examples, we've had some families over the winter whose furnaces or heating elements have gone completely bad and they weren't able to fix it, and so they have they paid their $80 deductible and they've replaced the entire system, the AC condenser and the heating elements and everything in it, for that deductible amount. That's a great situation, and so it can be great. Also, the timing of how long it takes to do that, just like an insurance company, it takes a little bit of time. So let's say you're freezing cold in your house because your heating element went bad, and then you call into the policy. I can guarantee you it's not going to be fixed tomorrow. They're going to send their third-party repairman over. They're going to take a look. That repairman is going to report to the home warranty company. The home warranty company is going to report back to that repairman what they're willing to do, and they'll report that back to you on how they're going to treat it. At that point, it can be a discussion back and forth to see what we agree on to be done, just like an insurance company. And then at that point, once everything's green lighted by both parties, then the third party will go ahead and start that repair. So just understand that it's not going to be a quick thing every time. Sometimes it might take a week or two to get that repair done, but to save thousands of dollars, sometimes it's worth it, especially if you have an older AC unit. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. And if you have any questions about this or your home sale or purchase, please give us a call or check out our website. Our phone number is 770-314-1285. Our website is www.georgiaperimeterhomes.com. Thanks. Bye.